Hello, I'm Rhea Garcia, 37 years old, and I'm married. I have one son, and now he is 13 years old. I have experience of 9 years as domestic helper, 2 years in Middle East taking care of bedridden caregiver, 2 years in Hong Kong taking care of 3 kids, and another 2 years for taking care of 2 kids, uh, and 3 years in Hong Kong too, taking care of 2 Akita dogs, and now I'm here in Singapore taking care of newborn. But now he is 1 year and 6 months, and now I'm looking for new employer back in Hong Kong. And thanks for this opportunity. And I'm flexible, and I'm quick learner, and I'm eager to grow, and I want to learn more skills. I have a lot of patience for everything, especially for the kids, and I prefer to work alone, and my prefer work job, does not matter. Thank you.